Hi, let's talk about tips and tricks in Chronicle. Here are quick ways to make your presentation clearer and more impressive. First up, embeds. You can embed anything interactive inside Chronicle. For example, you can embed your calendar. Here I've embedded my calendly.com and people can actually book directly from this. For example, I've selected a time, I can put in my details, and it will be interactive just like a website. Next, we shipped Muse, which is our AI agent inside Chronicle. When you go to the bottom right, you'll see a little chatbot. Here, you can ask it to create anything. For example, I'm going to ask it to create a global market map of electric vehicles. Now Muse is going to do research. It's going to look up the web. It's going to look through our database of templates and design a stellar slide for you. There you go. It's created the slide for you. And all you can do is insert it. Next up is Remix. This one's my favorite. You can change layouts in just a single click. If you don't like what you have on the page, you can click Remix and select from our hundreds of templates. And in one click, AI will do the remix for you. For example, I have a weekly milestones layout in front of me. I will go into Remix. I'll select a different slide to showcase this, say timelines and plans. I'll pick this project swim lanes and click it and remix. Now it's going to take the content and create a new layout for me without me having to lift a finger. And there you go. It's created a weekly project template for me. Next, visuals. If design isn't your thing, using backgrounds is an easy win. I'll show you here. Click background, and you can select which direction you want it to be in. You can use the slider to cover as much or as little as you want. And you can also select and choose from different images from our preset library. Next, video. You can embed native videos inside Chronicle. All you need to do is upload any MP4 and it will upload immediately. For example, I'm going to select our media picker, click video, and I can replace this video with whatever video that I like. There are also a few playback settings, for example, autoplay and looping the video. Next is one of my favorites. This is a small feature, but really helpful. There are a number of tidy up controls inside Chronicle for quickly cleaning up your slides. For example, I'm going to take all of these logos, and what I can do is turn them into a grid. I can also select them by dragging and switching. And finally, the most underrated feature in Chronicle is Deep Hover. What's built into Chronicle is a number of attention guidance tricks that you can use when you're presenting to an audience. All I need to do is go into present mode in the top right corner, press down Command, and then you can hover over the cards to guide attention to each of them. Chronicle will highlight each card one at a time. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed these tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.